back to the channel. Thanks for tuning in. Happy Sunday. Today I'm doing a variation on my Chaos ribbon swipe. So normally with a Chaos ribbon swipe, I'll put a puddle of paint down and then I'll ribbon pour the colors out onto the puddle of paint. Today I'm going to do it differently. I'm not going to put down the puddle of paint, but I'm going to ribbon pour, but also kind of just pour in large blocks of color. And then I'm going to swipe. I'm probably going to wreck it too. I don't know how I'm going to wreck it though, because it's such a large canvas. It's a 30 by 40. So I don't know if I'm going to use a chopstick, or I could use my fingers maybe. Do my fingers, you know, because I got gloves on, so it won't matter. I don't know. Anyways, I'm going to wreck it, and then I'm going to swipe with my cell activator to all through the colors, okay? So let's get on the canvas, and I'll tell you exactly how this is going to go down. All right? I'll be right back. All right, everyone. So what I've got today is a 30 by 40. I have had a hard time with this canvas. I have tried painting on it twice. This will be the third time and the final time. So if this doesn't come out, it's going to get yeeted into the trash. I am doing a different type of Chaos swipe. So normally I would put down a giant puddle of paint, then I would pour my colors over top of it, swipe through it, and tilt it. And that's what I did with this previously. It just did not come out with any composition that I liked. I got a lot of mud when I was swiping. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to try out something different. I am going to ribbon all over the canvas without a base coat, but I'm using tons and tons of paint, so there should be plenty of paint. I will tell you the colors as I go along. So my first color I'm going to put out is my Phthalo blue in Amsterdam. Come in with Amsterdam and emerald green. Amsterdam in greenish blue. Amsterdam and emerald green. This is brilliant blue, Amsterdam. This is sap green from Artist Loft. This is kind of a mix of metallic, cobalt blue, and a little bit of greenish blue from Amsterdam. This is sky blue light. Woo. All right, let's come back in with some of the phthalo blue. This is a little bit of leftover neon green. All right, let's do a little blending. About a little bit of finger painting. Now let's do some swipes. I'm just going to load up my palette knife and just come through here to the end. Give this a torch. Now we're ready to stretch this. Whew. That was heavy. All right, I'm going to clean up the edges, torch, and bring you guys in, but I love this. This has really got some great streaks through this. The lacing and the cells really stretched out nice. Great color combination. Okay guys, here we are with the result. Really love the color combination. I wanted to go with blues and greens, so it's really standing out great. The white cell activator really sets the colors off as well. Let me bring you in here. Okay guys, that is it. So I can't show you because I literally painted this the day I needed to leave for work. So I will show you dried results on Wednesday. That's where the dried results come. So anyways, thank you so much for watching. Thanks for watching on their Sunday train. Everyone have a great rest of the weekend, and I'll see you on Wednesday. Bye-bye.